supervisor, guys. In this video I'll just be covering the headliner. Removing the fabric, just sort of a little bit of dirt on there and just cleaning it off with the brush. Then we're going to apply the glue. So I'm trying something different for this video. It's just going to show like the long process of how I did everything, yeah, and not really much else this episode. I watched quite a few tutorials on how to do this. The guy used the word nooks and crannies quite often. So when you're pushing it into those little tight corners while it's still a little bit damp, so the glue can still be moved around, it's not fully sticking yet. It can be pushed, you see it's trying to stick already. Just pushing all those corners in, pushing it all down nicely in between the crevices. Just getting it to stick really nicely. I'd say this part took me a couple of hours, about 2 hours, because I took my time doing it. Yeah, I'm cutting a hole where the sunroof motor is. The little panel goes over it, and then the lights for the front. They release some of the tension so I could push it down to the corners, the nooks and crannies, like I said before. If I do this again, I won't be using a Menara blade. I'd rather be using a scissors because it was blunt as hell, or did want to cut the fabric nicely. So here the wind picked up, so I decided to move inside using the same table. This part was a lot easier than the front because it's a lot more of a flat surface. So if you made it this far in the video, that's awesome. If you liked it, give it a like, maybe a sub there too, and we'll see you next time when I put it in the, or when it's already in the car. Till then.